Moi avec nous c'est un sec. Sec c'est un mot créole qui signifie en anglais circle. Mais en bénin, en haïtien, en créole, il signifie Lakou. Et qui ça Lakou? Eh ben,
it's just two imperfect people to refuse to give up on each other. Et petit pasteur, merci parce que les bons esprits se communiquent.
He asked me to become his best man for his wedding. First off, I was really happy for him, the fact that he's getting married, because I understand what commitment is. And when he asked me to become his best man, alongside with all of his closest friends, getting married, like it made me really happy because I feel like at the end of the day, I think we all have a goal to achieve, and I really feel the young lady he's with she's there to complement and propel him into his next. So I'm just happy that we're all here to support what he's about to embark, his new journey, his new life, his new elevations.
When he told me he was getting married, I'm like, whoa, I thought I should just run because Billy getting married, yo, I thought I was dreaming to call me, but hey, I'm here, I see you guys here. I just, when the day comes, I believe it about that. You feel me? So,
you know what? I'm gonna get married. You feel me? So that's I'm happy for him, man. I'm happy for him. I wish him the best, and I'm got the opportunity to meet Magda. Of course, I know them for like a little short period of time too. Magda's team, the thing that's important about them, they understand each other.
yes, sir.
You feel me? That's a good thing, and Billy already established that in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is your role. This is exactly. So I think they're gonna be fine.
Billy called me. He said if I wanna be his groomman. I think that was an honor, like to enjoy his satisfaction, his choices, and see how he's moving forward. And at his age, at this time, for him to see himself going that way, it's a pleasure. So I'm enjoying his choices.
Conscience l'est arrivée. Maturité.